There are conflicting arguments coming from soon-to-be reggae boy Ravel Morrison and his agent Daniel Wilson regarding a Gleaner report which revealed that the agent had written to the Jamaica Football Federation complaining about the player traveling in economy class to Saudi Arabia. As Simon Preston reports, the agent claims that the JFF had promised that the midfielder would have traveled to the Middle East in business class, but that did not materialize.
Morrison, speaking with TVJ Sports through Instagram on Monday, said, "I don't know why the media have spoken about the flights. Nothing was said by me, and I'm not bothered about the flights." This came after the Gleaner quoted an email from his agent, Wilson, to Reggae Boys team manager Roy Simpson dated November 8, stating it's disrespectful to Ravel as he and myself were told one thing and it's a lie, referencing the flight arrangement. Phone calls and WhatsApp messages from TVJ Sports to team manager Simpson, General Secretary Dalton Wint, and JFF President Michael Ricketts for a reaction went unanswered up to sports time. Morrison, in responding to a Reggae Boys fan Instagram account on Monday, noted, "The flight ain't no problem. Whatever was said was not said by me." When TVJ Sports contacted Morrison's agent, Wilson, for a comment via email, his response was, as Ravel said, he traveled, he landed, he is safe. I don't have any other comment to make. It's a private matter. Wilson's letter to Simpson also called on the JFF to ensure his return ticket is upgraded to business class. The agent further noted that if this is how the Federation acts, then Morrison won't return for international duty. The Reggae Boys have arrived in the Middle East and will now commence their 3-day quarantine period before taking the pitch for training. In the meantime, it is also understood that players are looking to improve their match fees from $1,000 to $2,000 per game. This is separate from their per diems of $100 per day. Jamaica's friendly internationals are set for November 14 and 17 in the capital city of Riyadh. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.